connections make the world a wonderful place. Hebei Yida United Machinery, with its precision quality, it achieves the magnificence in the architecture and engineering connections industry. Started from an ordinary rebar coupler in 1998. For over 2 decades, Hebei Yida United Machinery Company Limited has grown into a group enterprise, integrating product design, research and development, manufacturing, sales and service. The products of Hebei Yida are diverse, centered around 11 categories of rebar mechanical coupler and anchor, complemented by 8 categories of supporting processing equipment. Spanning mountains and seas, Hebei Yida supplies globally to 24 countries and regions, provides relevant services specializing in bridges, highways, high-speed railways, nuclear power plants, and various major construction projects such as military industry. Responding to the national development patterns of intelligent manufacturing, Hebei Yida independently developed and invested in 6 fully automated production lines, took the lead within the industry. The function of automated lines cover raw material feeding, machining, quality inspection, and packing, achieves seamless integration of the entire production, satisfies the production requirements of various types and specifications of steel bar mechanical coupler. Automation equipment can produce over 1 million couplers per month and more than 10 million annually. With efficient production and supply capacity, Hebei Yida continues to satisfy the requirements from domestic and international customers. The self-owned independent measurement and test laboratory conducts comprehensive multiple tests according to strict standards, such as hardness measurement, tensile strength test, and so on. Furthermore, it also provides comprehensive and scientific measurement and experimental data for research and development to ensure that every product meets the domestic and international engineering requirements, provides precise and quality services to all the projects. Development driven by innovation. Hebei Yida gained over 70 independent intellectual properties and patents, numerous certifications and honors, covering multiple technologies in the field of steel bar connections. Notably, the independent innovation achievements: aircraft impact-resistant couplers and related equipment, high-strength rebar couplers, automated manufacturing and inspecting line for nuclear power plant, were recognized as internationally advanced technologies by Hebei Provincial Department of Science and Technology. One of them even won Provincial Science and Technology Progress Award. These achievements demonstrate the extraordinary strength of Hebei Yida in the field of nuclear power engineering technology. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, triple certification via Xingyuan Certification Center, CABR certification of China Academy of Building Research, CARES technical approval and certification from the UK, DCL certification of Dubai Central Laboratory Department. Multiple domestic and international certifications prove the precision quality and help Hebei Yida to open up overseas market channels. China National Nuclear Corporation, China General Nuclear Power Group. The cooperation with the domestic nuclear power enterprises is the witness from the customers, the efficient supply and guarantee capability of Hebei Yida. For consecutive years, China Nuclear Industry 24 Construction Company Limited, China Nuclear Industry 22nd Construction Company Limited, repeatedly recognized Hebei Yida as the excellent partner due to its reliability, precision quality, and supply guarantee capability. For over 2 decades, every product from Hebei Yida has been a quality assurance for customer projects. Every procurement order to Hebei Yida has represented, the customer's trust. Hebei Yida offers premium connections with superior qualities. As always, Hebei Yida will continue adhering to aim to international industrial champions, fight for Yida world-famous brand as its enterprise vision, strengthen solidarity and coordination to seek breakthrough and glory. In the future, driven by the spirit of innovating and developing without a break, with premium products and efficient services, Hebei Yida will keep developing in the key fields such as construction, nuclear power, and military industry, contributing Chinese wisdom and strength to global superior architecture and engineering projects.